Namaste, good morning. Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to another vlog. So today we are taking our Cheeto ZX6R for his first maintenance. Yes, it's the first service. That's the Yediur Lake. So the first maintenance or the first service is actually at either 1000 kilometers or 1 month, whichever is earlier. So it has actually been more than 45 days since I've taken delivery, but I hadn't given it a service because I think at the 30-day mark I was still at 400 kilometers and it wouldn't make sense to actually give it a service so soon. So now we are at almost 690 kilometers, almost 700. So I thought it's a good kilometer mark, and also we've been due for service over 45 days now, so the right time to give it a service. So this service center is actually in Jainagar, pretty close to my place, and it is in the main road right next to Yediur Lake, so not too far. That is the one. Let's take a U-turn over here. Okay, we've reached the service center. Let's go inside and see what they tell. We have an appointment taken it for 9:30, but it's almost 10 now. Let's see. ಇದು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ಗೆ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. Six hours. So they might come in and do the first few inspections. Yeah, first service. So what are the checks that we'll be doing apart from engine oil change?
Oil filter replacement.
Okay.
Filter, first service they don't replace it, they just clean it.
Yeah.
And chain maintenance, and just generally they just check what's wrong.
Okay. Been on a ride and it's gotten a bit dirty. We have our PPF, so it shouldn't matter. So a couple of things that will be done today are the engine oil change. He also mentioned air filter replacement and other basic checks, air filter cleaning. Even the chain is pretty loose, so we'll be tightening that by a few clicks. Cheetah's going in. There are actually a lot of bikes in here today, so they said Cheeto will go up on the bay in an hour or so. So let's see. That's a 10R in the front. This is the Z800 900 versus 650 10R. Let's stay inside. This is the lounge for the customers who come and enter the service center. There's the SPK factory t-shirts. You can purchase them. It's the reception area and the lounge for the customers. May take an hour. Cheeto is over there for now. Here is our AGV helmet. This is the K3SB Winter Test Rossi 2016. We got an Cheeto on the paddock. Time to get serviced. The ramps are very busy today. They're probably going to do it right over here because it's the first service. This is the KLX 300R. This is an old model, not there anymore. First thing's the chain cleaning. So while doing the chain cleaning, make sure you don't start the bike and do it because it's very dangerous unless you're experienced. So you have a paddock stand and just rotate the tire a bit like this, and you can clean the chain and lube it. But the experienced folks, what they actually do is they'll put it in first gear and let the wheel rotate. So don't do that if you're not experienced. Now they're going to drain the engine oil and oil filter. This is the old oil filter. It's pretty warm now because it was running until now. The engine oil is almost drained. That is the slot for the oil filter. So here it is, the Kawasaki oil filter. This is going on our Cheeto. And we have our Kawasaki engine oil. 4T Ultimate, fully synthetic genuine oil. It is actually manufactured by Idemitsu. It actually consumes about 3.1 liters, 3 bottles of engine oil. There you can see it's manufactured by Idemitsu. They collaborated with Kawasaki. They have been manufacturing it for them for the past few years. This is a brand new Kawasaki oil filter. We're going to lube the top a bit. That is the old engine oil, all dirty. Oh man. That is where they actually put the old engine oil. They will drain it out over there. That's the second liter. And we have the third liter. And another 100 ml because it's 3.1 liters. That's the 3000. Now we're going to tighten the chain by a few clicks. This one has twin exhaust, one on each side. So they're going to see how loose it is and then tighten. So they're counting the clicks. So on both the sides it should be at the same line. It should be equal. So you can see over here they adjusted it to the third one. Oh, this one. There's a marking over here. So on both the sides it should be at the same line. Kawasaki's brake cleaner is used to remove the dust around the foot pegs and stand, which are prone to accumulate a lot of dust. So all these corners are being cleaned now because the dust easily settles over there. So that's the first start of our Cheeto after the first service. Well, it sounds pretty smooth now actually. Not too loud as usual. We're trying to make changes to our throttle a bit. It was a bit too loose. They call it plain. There's a slight change in the sound. So the shift clamp is going to be changed now. 7,500 RPM. Now they're taking off the screws for our paddock stand that was put on, and the service is all done. We're going for washing next. So this PPF actually came off at the front. We'll be getting it done. Cheeto is all set, going for washing. There's an old Tenar here, extremely old actually. Now the ladder. So the service guys actually don't have washing over there. So there is another place right next to the service center. So this is where they get all the bikes washed. They actually asked me to get it done outside, but it's always good to get it washed when you're going for service. So Cheeto will get all washed up now. There's a band-aid over here that was put during the PPF, and it did peel off a bit because it's just a band-aid, right? You can see it peeling off. But anyway, we'll be removing that probably today itself. So our Cheeto is all dried up and ready to be taken out. So I'll have to go pay the bill and I'll show you guys how much it costs. This thing over here that you see, it connects to the ECU. So they're going to give a diagnostic report. They're going to run a test, connecting it to the computer and see if everything looks good, and we'll receive a report for that as well. The ECU is here under the pillion seat, so it connects to that directly. So the final checks are being done. It's a Kawasaki proprietary software, right? That checks for all of this. You can see right now it is checking injector. After the body wash, they finally lube it. Alright, we've gotten the service done for our Cheeto. Time to head back. Let's see how good our Cheeto feels now. It should definitely feel much different. So the shift indicator has been shifted to 7,500 RPM. We need to observe how smooth the bike is. So coming to the service cost, it's pretty, I think, normal for Kawasaki bikes for the price that I actually paid today. So it costed almost about 7,490, almost 7,500 you can say. The thing about this charge cost is, even though there was not much to be done, I don't feel the difference yet, but let's see. The engine oil has to also, thoroughly get used. Out of the 7,490, I think almost 4,500 or 4,000 change actually is the labor cost, and service spare parts costed me only about 3,000. Like labor cost being more than the actual service cost. That's something that I didn't expect. I thought the labor cost will be expensive, but not more than the service cost, obviously. They don't have washing at the service center, so few blocks next to the service center there's a washing place, bike and car, so they get it done over there, and they've added that cost separately. So that should be covered by the service center itself, but it is not.